Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some 3D printed scale models of Choremaster garden tractors. These models were designed using a CAD program and then 3D printed on a Creality Ender 3 3D printer. Every part was then painted to the correct color. The one on the right here is modeled after the one that I have. And this one is still in the original condition, still has most of the paint from the factory still on it. So when I was designing that one, I was trying to stick to the same colors. The one on the right is modeled after serial number 58333. It's a 1956 model with a Briggs & Stratton Model 8B engine. The one here on the left, my friend had restored. It's also a 1956, serial number 58432. And it features a Briggs & Stratton Model 6BS engine. So the first step I took in designing these models was to take measurements from the real machine, scale those measurements down, and then design it using the CAD program. And now we'll get some close-up footage of each of the models. So as you can see, this one features a 5-shanked cultivator in the rear. It has a front kickstand for it, so on the actual machine when it's freestanding, the front kickstand is what holds it up. And come around here to the front, you can see the spark plug and spark plug wire, the recoil. On this side, you can see the carburetor, the exhaust, and the air cleaner. On this model, again, this is a Briggs & Stratton Model 6BS engine. So it has the suction type carburetor and the old-fashioned pour-up style starter on the front. Also has a spark plug and spark plug wire with the Briggs & Stratton decal. And coming around to this other side, you can see the Choremaster logo on the side of the frame. You can get some more of the detail from the engine. There's the oil fill and drain plug for the engine. You can see the rim is painted yellow. And there's actually a clip pin for the drawbar that you can pull out and the cultivators can come off. I made a little stand for it too, so it helps it stand up, only having a single wheel. Here's a good shot of the cultivators. Same thing on this model here. There's a little clip pin for the toolbar that allows you to pull the cultivators off. There's some more detail of the engine. And again, the throttle control and the clutch engagement lever. If you guys haven't seen the video posted about 2 years ago of the Big Chief 251 walk-behind tractor that I also made a model of, please check that out. You can find that video here on the channel. On this model, you can see the oil fill and drain plug for the transmission housing on the side of the frame. You can see where the throttle cable goes into the carburetor. Each one of these models contains about 55 separate pieces. Most of those pieces were 3D printed, but some of the pieces are actually steel, like the handlebars are pieces of coat hanger that I had to bend into shape. So the handlebars on both tractors are actually steel. The kickstand on the front of this one is made from steel wire. The spark plug wires are pieces of paper clip, and the V-belts for each of them are pieces of rubber band. The engagement rod's also a piece of wire, and the same with the throttle cable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.